Hi, here is Kevin Dalonganay, and this is a short presentation for the paper on Emergent Systematic Generalization and Compositionality in Visual Referential Game with Straight-Through Gumbel Softmax Estimator. Meet AlphaIS and BetaBob, two artificial neural agents modeled with a vision module, typically a CNN, and a language module, typically an LSTM. They aim to develop a compositional language and learn generalizable skills in playing a discriminative referential game around some visual stimuli, in this case, a subset of the disparate dataset. But, before tackling such a task, they must agree on the parameters of their communication channel. This work investigates the drivers of compositionality and generalization in the context of channels supported by the straight-through Gumbel softmax relaxation alone. Our main result is that, contrary to other approaches, the STGS approach sees the capacity of the communication channel correlate positively with the compositionality of the language and the generalization abilities of the agent. But same capacity channels, with different maximum sentence lengths and vocabulary size, are not created equal. More specifically, we found that it is only the increase of the maximum sentence length that correlates positively with performance against both metrics. If you want to know more, please read the paper. Thank you for your attention.